Shall we play a game? All right, let's see how sharp the mechanics are out there in YouTube land. Do you hear that noise? All right, now I know exactly what that noise is. I know where it's coming from. But how many of you guys are going to get it? Let's make a contest out of this. So here's the noise, right? Let me get it for you from all angles. Okay, so you got the noise, right? The first person to accurately guess where that noise is coming from, bonus points if you can give me the cause of it, wins one of anything that's in our store, or our merch. Any of our shirts, mugs, hats, anything that's in the store. Be the first person to guess what that noise is and where it's coming from and win merch. All right, so just so you know, it's a 1998 XJ 4-liter. And here's a hint, okay? It's not what you immediately think that it is. All right, go to it. We're gonna watch the comments. First person to guess what that noise is, where it's coming from, anything in our store. All right, go to it. I'll reveal exactly what it is tomorrow morning.